On number 12, my first step is to get the same base. So the left-hand side I'm not going to change, but the right-hand side, how can I express 1 over 10 as 10 raised to some power? And I could do that with a negative 1. So 10 raised to the negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over 10. And I want to express it as 10 raised to the negative 1 because now these bases match. And now that they match, I can just look at the exponents. So 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 1. And then add 5. And then divide by 2. And x is equal to 2. On question number 13, I want the same base. And I can use the number 2 to express both 4 and 32. So 4 is 2 raised to the 2. And I still have that x there. And 32 is 2 raised to the 5. So again, I'm not changing my value. I'm just changing the way that it looks. So this is power to power, meaning I want to multiply my exponents. So 2 times x is just 2x. So this is 2 raised to the 2x is equal to 2 raised to the 5. And now that my bases match, these are both 2, I'm going to set my exponents equal to each other. And then divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 5 over 2.